Welcome back students once again to the accounting session. In the previous class we have discussed on how to calculate the interest on drawings under shortcut method. Under shortcut method I already discussed that the shortcut method can be used only in the circumstances when the drawings amount is fixed and it is on a specified date, either on the beginning of the month or middle of the month or end of the month. Beginning of the month means it may be on 1/4/2014, 15, whatever the year may be. Middle of the month means 15th of every month, 15/4/2015. End of the month means 30th/4/2015. So if the drawings amount is fixed and if the partner is withdrawing on a specified date, either on the beginning of the month or middle of the month or the end of the month, we can use this shortcut method. Already we have discussed that 6.5 should be considered for the beginning of the month, 6 should be considered in case if the drawings are made at the middle of the month, and 5.5 in case if the drawings are made at the end of the month. Let us see now how this 6.5, 6 and 5.5 is arrived at. So beginning of the month, for example 1/4/2015 is considered. If the partner is withdrawing regularly any amount on beginning of every month, first month will be 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you are supposed to calculate for 12 months. So the total of this is equal to how much? 78 divided by how much? 12 equal to 6.5. If the partner is withdrawing regularly on 15th of every month, for example 15/4/2015, first month will be 11.5, then 10.5, 9.5, 8.5, 7.5, 6.5, 5.5, 4.5, 3.5, 2.5, 1.5 plus 0.5 equivalent to how much? 72 divided by number of months equal to 12, 6. So you are supposed to consider 6. End of the month, if a partner is withdrawing on the end of the month during a year, for example 30th/4/2015, first month will be 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Last month will be 0. So the total will be 66 divided by 12 equivalent to 5.5. So that is why we consider 6.5 for the beginning of the month and 6 for the middle of the month and 5.5 at the end of the month. Simultaneously you have one more option. You can do it like that also, like this also. Highest number of months plus lowest number of months divided by 2. If the beginning of the month is given, highest will be 12, lowest will be 1. 12 plus 1 divided by 12, 2 equal to 13 by 2 equal to 6.5. If it is given at the middle of the month, 11.5 will be the highest and lowest will be 0.5 divided by 2 equal to 12 divided by 12, 2 equal to 6. End of the month, highest will be 11 and lowest will be 0 divided by 2 equal to 11 divided by 2 equal to 5.5.